Hello students, we completed primary cell in the dry cell. Second is mercury cell. It is zinc container paste of HgO and KOH anode. The reaction takes place. Oxidation at cathode. This reaction takes place. Net reaction is this. Electron cancel out. Zinc act as anode. Space filled with HgO and electrolyte is KOH. कार्बन रॉड एक्ट एज कैथोड. जिंक है वो एनोड है. दैट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट HgO एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट KOH, right, is carbon rod act as cathode. HgO and KOH is electrolyte. zinc is anode. एंड कैथोड कौन सा हो गया? रॉड जो है वो कार्बन रॉड इज कैथोड. द रिएक्शन दिस टू रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस इन मर्क्यूरी सेल. सेकेंड इज सेकेंडरी सेल. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? दिस द फिगर. एनोड एंड कैथोड आर अटैच्ड. एट द एनोड दिस रिएक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. Pb lead plus SO4 minus 2 gives PbSO4. Oxidation reaction takes place. Here reaction takes place at cathode. It is a cell which is rechargeable and reusable, right? Secondary cell which is rechargeable and reusable. Lead storage battery. Cadmium cell is used, right? Now PbO2 is cathode. In the lead storage cell, Pb is acting as anode and PbO2 is acting as cathode. Pb is acting as anode and PbO2 is acting as cathode. Dilute H2SO4 is acting as electrolyte. What we have added? H2SO4, and it is acting as electrolyte in this electrolyte, whose density is 1.0 gram per cc. Its output is 2 volt. During recharging, this cell becomes electrolytic cell, right? As we recharge, it becomes electrolytic cell because external current is supplied to the circuit. That is why reaction becomes reverse. क्या हो रहा है इसमें? रिचार्ज हो रहा है. द सेल, electrolytic cell is recharged. When we recharge, the electrolytic cell gets the external current and supplied it to the circuit, and that is why it becomes reverse. At anode, PbSO4 plus 2 electron, right? This is reduction reaction and anode. This reactions only you have to keep in mind in this whole chapter, that at anode what is happening and at cathode what is happening. Example, cadmium cell. In this cell, cadmium means Cd is acting as anode. Nickel is acting as cathode, right? Anode is acting as, cadmium is acting as anode and nickel is acting as cathode. Aqueous KOH is acting as electrolyte. Its output is 1.8 volt. Cadmium is acting as anode. Anode की reaction हो गई. Nickel is acting as cathode, means reduction. ये reaction हो गई. एनोड एंड कैथोड के रिएक्शन. कौन एनोड पे है? एनोड पे होगा तो उसका क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन. कैथोड पे होगा तो उसका रिडक्शन. दो रिएक्शंस उसी तरह दिखानी है. इन दिस ऑल्सो एनोड पे क्या हो रहा है? पीबी का रिएक्शन है, तो देन शो द PbSO4 in this form, and PbO2 का रिडक्शन हो रहा है, तो you have to show the 2 electrons here. This is secondary alcohol. Fuel cell. Third, it is device in which combustion energy of gases is directly converted into electrical energy. Which gas combustion energy to electrical is fuel cell. It is eco-friendly. Its efficiency is 60 to 70%. Its byproduct is water, right? H2 bond O2, fuel cell. In this cell, H2 gas is supplied it through anode, whereas O2 gas is passed through cathode. राइट, एनोड से क्या पास किया? H2 एंड O2 से, एंड O2 गैस पास थ्रू कैथोड से. इट्स इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज aqueous KOH of NaOH. Right, see, aqueous electrolyte is there in it. H2O anode and this is cathode. At anode they are passing H2 gas and from cathode they are passing O2 gas. जो लिखा that is shown in figure. Anode is there, the reaction takes place, oxidation reaction to 4 electrons removing. Loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction. This reduction is taking place at cathode. This was a fuel cell, and corrosion, rusting we will see next time. Okay, thank you.